Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope the last video definitely helped you to develop reading practice. Today we will discuss about the margin questions and workshop of the poem comparisons. Keep your textbook and open the page number 34 and 35. So let's start. Comparisons. Margin question. What adjectives or words are used to here to show shape, size and temperature? आकार, माप आणि तापमान यासाठी कवितेमध्ये कोणकोणते विशेषण किंवा शब्द आलेले आहेत? Following adjectives or words are used to show shape, square, round, crooked, straight. Size, माप, big, small, tall, short. Temperature, तापमानासाठी dry, wet, cool, warm ही शब्द आलेली आहेत. When you compare two things, they must have at least one common feature. When we compare a spaceship and a snail, so we consider only their speed. Think of common feature when you try to find opposites. When we try to find opposites, we think of common features such as shapes, size, color, speed, likeness, etc. Now, friends, let's see English workshop of this poem. List all the adjectives in the poem. Fast, slow, big, small, fierce, gentle, sour, sweet, dry, wet, cool, warm, strong, weak, hard, soft, dark, light, crooked, and straight. These are the adjectives used in the poem. Use the comparative forms of faster than the world, slower than a tortoise, bigger than an aeroplane, smaller than a sparrow, sweeter than sugar, stronger than an elephant, drier than skin, harder than iron. Number 2. List all the nouns in the poem. Find a suitable adjectives. Adjective means visheshan other than the ones given here for each of the nouns and write meaningful similes for at least 8 of them. Here I want to explain the meaning of adjectives. So friends, adjective is one of the part of speech. The function of adjective is to describe or tell something more about noun. नामाविषयी अधिकची माहिती सांगणे हे ॲडजेक्टिव्हचं कार्य आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, न्यू शर्ट. शर्ट या नामाविषयी न्यू हा शब्द अधिकची माहिती देतो, म्हणून न्यू हे ॲडजेक्टिव्ह आहेत. चला तर कवितेतील नामांची यादी बनवूया. लेट्स मेक द लिस्ट ऑफ नाउन. spaceship, snail, dinosaur, nail, tiger, lamb, lemon, jam, desert, sea, house, pea, cave, toast, drill, ghost, ox, kitten, rock, mitten, tunnel, moon, midnight, noon, giant, elf, path, and shelf. These are the nouns which are used in the poem. Simile. Simile is a figure of speech when two different things are compared having at least one common feature or quality using the words as, like, as, and so. Such comparisons are called simile. Meaningful similes: as small as a snail, as tiny as a nail, as strong as a tiger, as poor as a lamb, as great as the sea, as hot as the desert, as fearful as a ghost, as cool as the moon. Activity number 3. Form groups of 6 to 8. Think of similes using different objects. For example, dry as land, wet as puddle, tall as a tower, hard as a metal, strong as a tiger, big as an elephant. Now try to put together the similes to make a poem with rhyming lines. रायमिंग लाईन्स जुळतील अशा सिमिलीचा वापर करून आपल्याला कवितेसारख्या ओळी बनवायच्या आहेत. सो सी, ग्रेट ॲज द सी, बिग ॲज अन ऑक्स, ग्रीन ॲज अ पी, स्मॉल ॲज अ फॉक्स. यामध्ये सी, पी रायमिंग वर्ड्स आहेत आणि ऑक्स, फॉक्स हे रायमिंग वर्ड्स आहेत. ॲक्टिव्हिटी नंबर 4. राईट द पेअर्स ऑफ रायमिंग वर्ड्स. कवितेतील यमक जुळणारी शब्द स्नेल, नेल, लॅम्प, जॅम, सी, पी, टोस्ट, घोस्ट, किटन, मिटन, मून, नून, एल, शेल्फ, etc. Activity number 5. Start a collection of idioms with comparisons. Use the following categories. Idioms with colors: as black as coal, as white as snow, as red as rose, as blue as the sky, as green as a tree, as pink as a flower, as white as cotton. B. Idioms with animals: as cunning as a fox, as lazy as a donkey, as strong as a tiger. C. Idioms with objects: as black as coal, as soft as cotton, as heavy as a rock, as big as a mountain. Now see the activity number 6. Given below are some idiomatic comparisons with like. Can you guess their meaning? Look them up in a good dictionary. First, like a bull in a china shop. The meaning of this idiomatic phrase: an extremely clumsy person with delicate furniture behaving in a clumsy manner. Second, like a cat on a hot tin roof. The meaning of this idiomatic phrase: someone who is in a state of extreme nervous worry. Third, like a red rat to a bull. Meaning of this phrase: very angry and violent reaction. 4. Like a cat that stole the cream. The meaning of this idiomatic comparison is someone looks very proud or satisfied about something he or she has done. Next, like water off a duck's back. The meaning of this idiomatic comparison is having no effect on someone. कोणत्याही गोष्टीचा कोणताही परिणाम एखाद्यावर न होणे असा याचा अर्थ होतो. अँड द लास्ट, मेमरी लाईक अ sieve. Meaning of this idiomatic comparison is forget things very easily. Friends, I hope this will help you to understand the poem better. I request you here to read the poem again and again, and for better understanding, watch the video of the workshop. Thank you very much.